This video is for Knowledge Organiser 7 for your 9Theta classes shown on the paper below. What I would like you to do is read the Knowledge Organiser, watch this video and use it to work through the examples, and then try the questions from the Knowledge Organiser, that's page 2 of the Knowledge Organiser, and then complete any maths watchwork set by your class teacher. So, if we have a look, this is the problem that we have today. So it asks us to find the surface area of our prism. Now this prism here is a triangular prism. To do this, what we want to do is we want to break this down into a net so that we can find the area of each face. Yesterday we did a cuboid. There were 6 faces. Today there will be 5 faces. So we do that by imagining that starting with the base, I've got a rectangle here. This side here is another rectangle. There will be another rectangle on the other side, and then you have 2 triangles on the end. Now these are the same side, it's just that my drawing doesn't look like that. What you then do is you label your sides. So this length here is 13, so that makes these 2 here 13. This length here is 10, so that makes that 10. This distance here is 15, so that makes that distance there 15. And then the height of my triangle up here is 12, so that makes that distance there 12. It also makes that distance there 12. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to work out, and I'm going to label these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It doesn't matter which order you label them in. You could have labelled your triangles first if you wanted, but I'm going to work out the area of each of these. So if we have a look, the first one is this rectangle here. So the width of that rectangle is 13. The height is 15. So I go 13 times 15. That gives me 195 centimeters squared. Now, rectangle 3 I know is going to be the same, but number 2 has got a slightly different length, so it's going to have a different area. That width there is 10, and the height of this is still the same as these, so that's 15. So I get 150 centimeters squared. 3, as I said, 1 and 3 are the same, so I know straight away that that's 195 centimeters squared. 4 is this triangle here. Now, area of a triangle we've already done before. That's base times height divided by 2. So if we have a look at this here, the base is 10, the height is 12, and I divide that by 2. So I get 120 divided by 2. That gives me 60 centimeters squared. 5, which is this triangles down here, that is the same as this one up here because you've got the same dimensions, so it would also be 60 centimeters squared. Now, it must be noted at this point, these 2 are the same. That doesn't happen in every triangular prism, so you've got to be aware of that. But if you follow the same steps of breaking down the prism into a net and then working out the area of each shape, you'll still get the right answer. Now I haven't actually finished this off yet. To finish this off, to find the surface area, I have to add together all 5 of my dimensions together. And if I add all of those together, they give me 660 centimeters squared. Can you use this video to complete the questions on the Knowledge Organiser and any work set on Maths Watch? Thank you.